Hi, I'm Carol. Today I would love to introduce to you the 1000 kVA high voltage shore power supply that has just been complete installation and commissioning in our factory. And this shore power equipment is a high voltage shore power equipment customized for our client CMGL Yangzhou shipyard. And now I will show you the inside configuration. Follow me and let's have a look. The input voltage is 10 kV. It's a high voltage, and we're using AFE rectification technology. Firstly, this is our input high voltage switch cabinet. The input voltage is 10 kV and the frequency is 15 Hz. And then this is our AFE rectifier cabinet. And next is our inverter cabinet. Here is our display screen, and it can show the all parameters and the historic breakdowns records. And then is our output transformer cabinet and the main control box. And finally, this is our output switch cabinet. The output voltage is 440 VAC and the output frequency is 16 Hz. For more details, please contact us directly.